used as a sleep aid, proving that the ancient Egyptians were ahead of their time when it came to exploring the plant's medicinal benefits. Number 3. Opium. Opium was widely used in the ancient world, including Egypt. According to ancient Egyptian culture, Thoth, the
Pause, because I gotta turn y'all back around so y'all can see that on YouTube. Shouts out to Rumble. They gonna hate me for this, but we gotta hit y'all with a quick little replay because they said he was wrapping bro up with cannabis.
suppositories to relieve hemorrhoid pain, while crushed cannabis was mixed into ointments and poultices to treat inflammation around the fingernails, toenails, and other minor skin conditions. Some records also suggest it was applied to sore eyes and even used as a sleep aid, proving that the ancient Egyptians were ahead of their time when it came to exploring the plant's medicinal benefits. Number 3. Opium. Opium was widely used in the ancient world, including Egypt. According to ancient Egyptian culture, Thoth, the god of science and knowledge, was believed to have discovered opium. One legend tells of Isis curing the sun god Ra's headache by offering him the drug. The divine association may have been one of the reasons why opium use was popular among priests and the elite of ancient Egyptian society. Dating as far back as 1600 BCE, archaeologists have found small flasks about 5 inches long, shaped like poppy capsules. These flasks have been found in tombs and settlements throughout the Middle East and Egypt, suggesting they were part of an organized system of manufacture and distribution, essentially a thriving drug trade. Around 1300 BCE in the capital city of Thebes, the ancient Egyptians began cultivating their own opium poppies. This opium was generally restricted to priests, magicians, and warriors, though it was also traded. The opium trade flourished during the reigns of Thutmose IV, Akhenaten, and King Tutankhamun. The trade route included the Phoenicians and the Minoans, who moved the profitable product across the Mediterranean Sea into Greece, Carthage, and Europe. Opium played a significant role in both recreation and religious rituals in ancient Egypt. Poppies, blue lotus, and mandrake flowers were commonly used in funerary ceremonies and frequently depicted in ancient Egyptian art. Archaeologists have even discovered earrings and necklaces shaped like opium poppies in tombs, suggesting the drug's cultural and spiritual importance. Medically, opium was highly valued. Morphine extracted from opium was used as a painkiller, a sleep aid, and even to soothe crying children. It was also mixed into pastes and added to ointments for hair care and skin treatments, perfect for that opioid glow. Number 2. Beer. It's said that while the Sumerians created beer, the ancient Egyptians perfected it. According to legend, the god Osiris himself taught humanity the art of brewing, a divine gift that Egyptians eagerly embraced. Old Kingdom kings Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure commissioned the construction of the pyramids at Giza. Surprisingly, the laborers who performed the backbreaking work of building the pyramids were not slaves. It's believed that many were farmers who worked on the pyramids during their off-season, and the daily rations sweetened the deal, often consisting of bread and beer. A large brewery was discovered in the capital of Hierakonpolis, where beer was produced for the pyramid workers. Records suggest that laborers received about 1 1/3 gallons of beer daily. While that might sound like a recipe for catastrophic workplace accidents, ancient Egyptian beer had a lower ABV, or alcohol by volume, than modern beer. It was also thicker, with a syrup-like consistency, and made from barley, emmer, and spelt. Typically, it was consumed through a straw. The beer provided on-the-go hydration, nutrition, and calories, allowing the workers to continue without needing to stop for lunch. Additionally, it gave them a slight buzz, which might have helped them keep in line and discouraged complaints about the harsh working conditions. Unlike the beer-drinking pyramid workers, Egyptian pharaohs and the elite preferred...
That's fucked up. So now they trying to say... I like watching videos like this, because now they trying to say that, nah, they weren't built by the slaves over in Egypt. They were built by people who like to get drunk, motherfucker, while they work in Egypt. Because, we was giving them free beer and bread, so, hell, they come get in some work. You did, because we got plenty of it. Shouts out to being a boss, because you always got work for employees. If you ain't got work for your employees, you get a consultation. We'll hook you up with stuff that actually fits your company and gets more people working for you. Therefore, you'll be getting more money because you got other people doing the work. Then you're just the boss, and you get to sit there and look like, damn, these are beneficials. Hell, shouts out to getting these consultations. Hell, Lord knows I've made a few come ups in my moves just from getting the free consultations that the people I know give you. Yeah, shout out to knowing good people, networking. You gotta be out here moving. 2025 is about that homework because you got to do your own work. Hey,